Bill Asamoah, the president of Ghana's Girls Association, Okasaye, Okaye no, Okambibi, and some Omantia say a bima misplacing and then person give you way. Now me chain your cancer.
Nana, truth be told, I am fortunate and privileged to say, Jumano, Kumahood ya wono to me naso. I can say that. You free baby, and you be drew baby. And Jumano, Adane, yako yese TV series, and abaso. Won't you friend me now? Cause as soon as you know Bentino, me person baby trouble. What is that supposed to mean? But you don't make the person feel say as a be keke na opa china be trouble could be mommy. A china be trouble could be mommy. Na me ba as what? Because a TV series now where. But na me ba is it doesn't mean say me rule no is not casting the script. And now you just need the phase to pass through your TV series.
Before even you can say, Upeja industry, you need to know what was wrong with Ghana's film industry. And I'll tell you, one person I mean said, okay, Ghana film industry do here Lilwin. I mean no words. I don't care. Okay, because those times film be a comic films. It means a film yesterday on the
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH from Bruce. Oh, subscribe. Bitumpa now can be. Yeah, film industry, a I say any film industry. Now, maybe there be any film industry. Two things I'll tell you today. Bill Asamoah, the president of Ghana's Girls Association, Okasaye, Okaye no, Okambibi, and some Omantia say a bima misplacing and then person give you way. Now me chain your cancer, I say, and put in the video number.
Nana, truth be told, I am fortunate and privileged to say, Jumano, Kumahood ya wono to me naso. I can say that. You free baby, and you be drew baby. And Jumano, Adane yako yese TV series ena abaso. Won't you friend me now? Cause as soon as you know Bentino, me person baby trouble could be man. What is that supposed to mean? But you don't make the person feel say as a be keke na opa china be trouble could be mommy. A china be trouble could be mommy. Na me ba as what? Because a TV series now where. Bana is it doesn't mean say me rule no is not casting the script. And now you just need the phase to pass through your TV series. Kwajo o person ye bibi sa. What were you watch? Do it the right way.
Okay, so
you understand?
Okay.
Me media ne say unya kasa obeye bibia obi aye bi da hweso na improve on that. Kwajo adwuma na oye me offer me. Offer me, no. Offer. Me yama juma bi o. A champion ka we twam na we twa ba ko bi ma me. Oh. Okay, and I'm saying.
Okay, ba say.
Kwajo mama no manensi. Okay, and I'm saying kwajo. Oh yeah, juma me twa ba ko bi ma. Mate. Unfortunately, me ni Kumasi. And I say, oh, sir. Oh, director crowd wa ho. And what the man the director. Na director say, oh, Prezo. Wadaru ma we de me ana me Batman.
That's okay.
Me ana me direct and I'm so kwasi. Unfortunately me ni Kumasi. No say okay. Second time he called me but na me pra. And I'm going so kwaju unfortunately me co-location makupra. Enti no me timi show boss say. But near me ka kosi ne say nana adwuma no said yeah ya juma no baby ye free ni baby nyame dia bedre no me feel say ya nya na ne kwan so said ye be ya obi ehu adwuma na or the certain level of respect be burden ebe adwuma as industry players na nkasa kran let us give ourselves that respect.
You see, Ghanaians, we are used to something. Oh, me dia minim bill o me friend e pe obeba. Oh, minim bamboo so me friend e pe obeba. Yanya de esa. Ye kasa structures are. It means a kwan ya to ho a defining an industry. Lilwin I started say or say so called say Opeja Ghana movie industry. Me make I say a selfish act. Yes. Before even you can say Opeja industry, no, you need to know what was wrong with Ghana's film industry. And I'll tell you, one person I mean say or can one Ghana film industry go here Lilwin. I mean no words. Opa yami, I don't care. Okay, because those times no, yeah film we have comic films. It means a film yesterday on the no yeah manitra. Oh brony yeah comic films and yansa yeah comic films and yansa biani. Yeah, actors and actresses in the brain school here. It's almost nim at your friend scripts. Scripts and also the actual near my baby aba. It's almost do set us your what the idea started na mehu. Number 2, your storyline then your new storyline. Your kojina set so after na director ka wo kwa script plan ho. Go to Nigeria and check your film industry. The third one has to do with the casting. You can say casting na. So the cast nipa we all play role we now we all play role we. You need because as you were veteran actors and actresses. Massa, or met me play akukra na abrewa. Ni akofa Lilwin ya. Lilwin back or play small boy or play akukra play. And yet some way versatile. That's no. It means bringing proper people to the sets. And do baby no. Lilwin ya get man. Our film mo. Not the master, but not the master do rough. In real life, do you do that? Because I'm a chef senior, I should be able to what? Relate to the film. Now, who are we a boy? Now, who master banana, who master do rough? Is it reality? The third one or the fourth one has to be what? Professional personnel. Bad directors, your directors, no money, no more yet. Yeah, lights man, no, some men, no. It's film you make you now, bomb. When you find Netflix. Ghana lost the chance, and that is the whole thing. The last one, America, a storyline. Any storyline. You need to be a baby. Be a baby. Ya kwatam baby. Azonto. Nia yetimi chewa part 1 to part 13. Film nyasa bia ni. Yes one. Obi angu ni. Film industry start here no na nkwasefo na ehwe it is not your the Kumahood nkwasefo there, excuse my language, any the Gallywood na ye middle age for there o hwe yi a every time no wait for the time of guy see the turn that was the collapse of the Kumahood nkofo mu ni won tie enye soap opera by but see the no ekono na esanke penifo who said say no your transition your beko online. So how do we go online? You need equipment. When people were shooting in 4K, we are still doing films. Yeah, the camera and the better. It's the cap. Yeah, the when the car left with some that is the reality. Most of our actors and actors, they don't even have managers. Our manager, if Lilwin wants to, they are someone to do away. I saw contact what? Bill's manager. It doesn't matter when you know the person. And you can say, oh, proper structures. But I'm too late. The film industry rise again. And yes, it's dead. I expose you, Chef Bruce. Subscribe. And tumpa na saka bi manwas.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.